Hello, my name is Brehon Mills, and I would like to welcome you back to the channel, where not only do we talk about great stocks, but we also talk about great books. This video here is for my team humble people, my team humble family, TSNP. As we can see, TSNP has had a huge run up as of late, but the last 3 days we can see that there has been a short pullback a little bit of sorts. And so let's just take a look at the data from a technical perspective. Now, I have the 1 day candles up here, and again, we had a tremendous upward momentum, upward push, upward trend, and at the top of the trend, we have this candle here. This could be considered a spinning top, or we could call this a doji candle. And whenever we have this type of candle at the top of a trend, it signals indecision, or it could signal a reversal in pattern. All right, so what do? We wait, and we like to check out the following candle. Okay, so the next day, if the following candle is trading or closed below this doji candle, this could signal a downtrend. Okay, this is just a slight downtrend. Now, how long will this downtrend last? Well, let's take a look at the hourly chart here. Again, this is quite natural. This is just a natural pullback. Again, you know, stocks don't go from 1 to 100 in a week. All right, we have a lot of momentum coming in. We have a lot of traders coming in. You know, if you've been watching my videos, you know, I stated that whenever we have a huge push up in momentum and price in certain stocks, it jump up on the traders, day traders, scanners. And so now the day traders come in and they look for opportunities to place trades, to jump in and out of the stock, and then they move on to another opportunity. All right, so hopefully as the stock begins to settle, hopefully the traders are leaving and the long-term investors are here, remain, and we also have the new long-term investors coming in buying the stock. All right, now again, this is the 20-day moving average here. All right, and as you can see, we moved upwardly away from that 20-day moving average. We had a high of 193. All right, a high of 193, and then we came back down to the 20-day moving average. We rolled the 20-day moving average up a little bit, and we fell below the 20-day moving average. Okay, so again, stocks don't move too far, too fast away from the 20-day moving average. It's kind of like a rubber band. All right, so once a stock move away from the 20-day moving average, it snaps back to the 20-day moving average. And again, I consider the 20-day moving average the king of all moving averages, one of the best indicators around, especially when you're looking at swing trading. And depending on your style, intraday trading. Now, some people use the 50-day moving average, and some people may use the 150-day moving average, or, you know, many people may use the 20-day moving average. Me personally, I love the 20-day moving average. Okay, so now, how far will TSNP slide? All right, so we have the 20-day moving average up here. Now, I mean, just visually looking at the chart, we can see that it could possibly fall down to 130, or if it fills this gap here, it can actually come back down to $1, but I don't think it'll come back down to $1. I have my horizontal lines up here. All right, so we can say that hopefully we begin to establish some support here. Actually, let's go into the 30-day move, the 30-minute chart, 30-minute candles. All right, now let's hope that we settle along the 128 mark. Okay, now if it falls below 128, we could fall back down to let me see here, 111. All right, so again, we don't want to fall below 128, so let's stay above the 128 mark and settle there. All right, now this may be a good opportunity to start adding more shares or buying back in if you sold at a high. Okay, I know one time I actually sold at 180. I jumped back in at 130 and I was able to pick up, a few thousand extra shares because of it. But again, I'm long on TSNP. I'm long. I'm team humble all the way. But whenever you have stocks that have huge run-ups during the day, you may have an opportunity to sell all of your shares, wait for a pullback, and jump back in. All right. Now, again, nothing is guaranteed, but there is opportunities there for you to add more shares without actually adding more money into your account. All right. So again, I really like the way that TSNP is settling here. All right. Now I hope it don't go back down to this dollar mark. I hope it maintains its support between 130, 137. If we can stay there, we can say and we can believe that we are in a good position. All right, we're in great shape. So hopefully people will come in and continue buying shares. I know I plan on continuing all of 2021 and beyond to add shares whenever possible. I do believe in the future of this business. I like the app. I like the financials. They even have a mobile part of the mobile app where they actually sell designer clothing actually. So the TSNP Team Humble is branching out, doing a myriad of things, but hopefully we stay within the realm of financial disruptor. That's what we're looking for. Okay, we want Team Humble to be the financial disruptor that Square has been, that PayPal has been, that Venmo has been. This is what we're looking for. Okay, that is what we're looking for. That is what we want. Again, I didn't want to keep you long. I just want you to know and stay strong with Team Humble. Don't panic. Don't panic. Okay, we are in positions where this is normal. This is expected. A slight pullback is expected. Okay, we're not gonna run to $2 overnight. We're not gonna run to $5 in 1 week. Now, if Kathy Woods get her eyes on this thing and she actually wants to purchase $5 million, 5 million shares, then maybe we can run and have a huge push upward. But as of right now, these type of pullbacks are normal and they are healthy. Okay, they are healthy. What we want to do is again, we want to stay on that 20-day moving average. All right, we want to stay along this 20-day moving average. Okay, if we can do that, we are in great shape. Again, we move away up above the 20, we bounce back to the 20. We may move below the 20-day moving average, but hopefully we'll bounce back to the 20-day moving average and beyond. Okay, now that's all I wanted to add on this video. I hope I added some knowledge, some insight, and some value to you. Now, if I did, hey, please leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Team Humble, baby. Peace.